and we see this icon. You can see this is the imitation of our soul, and this is 3D imitation. And we can press here to change it to a bird view, 2D. Okay, and we start from here. This is an online programming, and it's standard, including in the machine. We can program on the computer directly. Okay, from here we can change the direction. For example, if we want to cut 400 by 2000 millimeter length, then we type in 400 first, numbers, one piece. Okay, on this board we want to further make a cut to make it 2000, then we type in 2000 and then one pieces. Okay, then you can see this is 400 by 2000 millimeter. Okay, we make the whole board become red, and then we make a cut. For example, I want 500 by 2000 and 100 millimeter length. Then we type in 500, one piece. Okay, on this we want 2100. Then we make it this section red. Okay, we type in 2100 millimeter and one pieces. Okay, then we make programming, and after programming we can press here, start cutting, and it will send to the automatic cutting interface. Start cutting. Then our programming come to here.